Hey folks, welcome back. In this video we're going to go over two worked examples to show you how to do problems involving mass, weight and gravitational field strength. Now if you haven't already done so, check out my previous video covering the theory on this topic, and that way you can apply what you learned in that video to this one. So let's get started. Now we're going to recap how to do mass, weight and gravitational field strength questions in the context of space. So question 1 says the Mars Curiosity rover has a mass of 900 kilograms on Earth. Part A says what is its mass on Mars? Explain your answer. Well, we can say its mass on Mars is also 900 kilograms, and that's because mass stays the same no matter what planet you're on or where you are in the universe. And part B says to calculate its weight on Mars. So writing down what we know from the question, we're trying to find weight W. We know that the mass M is 900 kilograms on Mars, and the gravitational field strength G on Mars is 3.7 newtons per kilogram from the datasheet. So writing down the equation relating weight, mass and gravitational field strength, we have W equals mg. Substituting in the numbers gives 900 times 3.7, and if you put that into your calculator, you should get an answer of 3.3 times 10 to the 3 newtons. Or you could also state 3,330 newtons. Lastly, question 2 says an astronaut of mass 70 kilograms on board a space shuttle loses their memory on the way to a planet. The astronaut's weight on the surface of the planet is 1,610 newtons. Part A says to help them out by calculating the gravitational field strength on the planet. Well, writing down what we know from the question, we're trying to find the gravitational field strength G. We know the weight W is 1,610 newtons and the mass M is 70 kilograms. Then writing down our equation, we have W equals mg. Rearranging for the gravitational field strength G, we can divide both sides by mass to get G equals W over M. Substituting in the numbers gives 1,610 divided by 70, and if you put that into your calculator, you should get an answer of 23 newtons per kilogram. Lastly, part B says which planet has the forgetful astronaut arrived at? Well, what you would want to do is then check your data sheet, so we can say from the data sheet, G equals 23 newtons per kilogram on Jupiter, so Jupiter is our planet. That's all for this video folks, I hope you found it useful. If you did, give it one of these, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.